Hey, it's Terry. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this cute French tip spring nail design. I'm going to start off by applying these extra short coffin nail extensions that I got from Painted Desert. I'll leave a link in the description bar. So these are extra short, but they're still a little bit long, but it's hard to make nail extensions really short. So I really like these nail extensions. I'm trying them out, and if you want a full video of how I apply my nail extensions, I'll link a video where you can I'll link a video I did where I went into more details on how to do this. Today it's more so about the nail design, so I'm just applying these on really quickly. I also have this gooseneck light, UV light to cure, and this makes it really easy to apply these nail extensions. I'm testing out these Beetles gel art polishes. This one is in a French white, and these polishes are very pigmented. You can see they have a really thin brush on it, so it's really easy to do nail designs and you don't need a nail art brush. So I'm definitely liking these. I'll also leave a link to where I purchased these on Amazon. Very inexpensive, and you get 6 nail polish colors that are super pigmented. So I painted my nails with one coat of Nail Thoughts peach base. I cured that in the lamp. Now I'm taking this white liner brush and creating my French tip. So I like to draw a line in the middle and then 2 lines coming at an angle to kind of create that shape. Then I curve off the lines and just fill it in. That was kind of hard to describe, but if you just watch the video, you can kind of see where I'm going with this. And I think this is the easiest way to kind of make a really nice French tip. After I fill in the rest of the nail with the white, I'm just going to perfect that curve a little bit more. I'm not going to be too picky about this because, I don't know, I'm just not. I think it looks good enough. But if you want the line to be extra sharp, you can take a little bit of alcohol or acetone and a round brush to kind of carve out the shape. But I kind of tend to mess my line up when I do that, so I'm just going to, you know, try to do it as best as I can. Now I'm taking a large dotting tool and an orange gel polish to just create these really large circles in the corner of my nails. I am starting to make my flowers. Once that's there, you want to make sure the polish is still wet, don't cure at this point, and take a small nail art brush and just kind of pull the polish down to form a point. And then you have your flower petals. You can do this in whatever color you want to, and you can do it on all your nails if you want, but I'm just doing it on this index finger. And once you're happy with your petals, I'm just going to cure that in the lamp real quick for a few seconds. And then I'm taking this gold gel polish by Beetles, and I dipped my dotting tool. I have a smaller dotting tool that I dipped in the gold gel polish by Beetles and just formed the center of the flower. I cured that and applied a glossy top coat. And this is the finished result, a cute French tip nail with a little flower in the corner for spring. So let me know what you think of this design in the comment section, and I will leave links to everything I used. And I hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye, y'all.